teachers and my dear friends. I am Uzma Kausar from Standard 7. Today I am very happy to get this opportunity to speak for a topic on why homework is bad. So, we students spend about 5 to 6 hours of the time in the school and having work assigned from home leaves us with no time to sit and relax. The pressure of having done with the task makes us feel cranky, tired, and eventually we feel exhausted most of the time when we actually have to pay attention to our studies. The kind of time schedule we have these days has no scope for family and friends' indulgence. Once we come back from school, we get into our right coaching and classes. Once we are done from our classes, we come back home and start with our assignments. Thus leave us too exhausted to having any social connect. Too much homework leaves the children cheating as they end up copying the same thing what their fellow classmates have written for their assignments. This doesn't prove to be a healthy sign of learning. Often, homework is the main cause.
Respected my principal, teachers, judges, staff, and all my dear friends. Firstly, I thank to all of you to giving me this opportunity to introduce myself. Hello everybody, I am Dukshar Praveen from class 8. A debate is a discussion of theme of questions between two or more interlocutors. Today, my topic for debate is science's boon or curse. And first of all, I tell you that I am the favor of against a motion and I will say the against the topic. While science has brought immense things to the humanity, it has also several disadvantages that affected individually our society and the environment. Man had misused the technology for their destructive work.
Teachers and my dear friends, my name is Rudra Kumar Jaswal from class 7. I speak on the topic of homework is bad for students. Homework is bad because it is an extra work which students do not like to do. They want time for recreation. It is a burden on the student. It is too difficult. Homework develops anxiety among the students. The researchers also found that spending too much time on the homework with their development needs and other cultivating critical life skills. Many students work that homework causes to sleep less than they should and leads to headaches, exhaustion, sleep deprivation, weight loss, and stomach problems of a lack of balance as well as lack of balance in the lived. That's all about for homework is bad. Thank you so much.
So standard 6 will say for the topic and standard 7 will say against the topic. Similarly, we have got another group, the senior group of class 8 and 9. And the selected students of standard 8 and 9 will again perform, will come on the stage and they will give their valid points on the topic for which they are speaking for and against. And after the debate of every group, there will be a question and answer session. And in the question and answer session, all the students are encouraged that they should speak, they should also ask some relevant questions from the topic. Rather than speaking and talking to each other and wasting your energy and time, try to learn something from. When we say speak up, to speak up means that you have to speak whatever comes in your mind. And it requires a great courage for every student to speak whatever comes in their mind on the stage. You speak a lot when you are sitting, you speak a lot when you are in the classroom. But have you got the guts, have you got the courage if you are if you are invited to come on the stage and speak on the stage in front of several people? Do you have the courage? Do you have the confidence? So the theme of this contest, or you can say the debate, a competition is, the prize doesn't matter that who wins, who loses, who comes first, who comes second, who comes third. But what matters is that you have the courage to speak in front of students, to speak in front of a good number of people or students. So I would like to wish all the best to the fellow contestants who are participating in this today's debate competition, and for those who are not selected, who have not given their names for some reasons or the other. It is also time for them to learn from your fellow classmates, to learn from your friends, that what they have got in their skills, what they have got in their personality that I don't have. Because every child is a special child, every children are special.